Hi guys, today we are making apple and cinnamon oat pancakes. So I'm going to grate one small apple. I'm going to mash half a banana on the side. This will be my sweetener. So I'm going to crack an egg and I'm going to separate the yolk from the white so that I can whip the white and give my pancakes a little more fluff. I'm going to use some baking soda, just a little bit, and I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of baking powder, and then I'm going to use atta flour. I used about 13 grams, and I'm going to use about 51 grams of oat flour. So you can add milk or yogurt, but I chose to add water. I just mixed it in about 2 grams of butter to act as the binder so that my pancakes won't fall apart. You're going to put your pan on medium heat and you're going to want to wait for it to heat up real well before you pour in your butter. You have to remember that the oats absorb liquid more than regular flour, so the longer your butter sits out, the more it's going to get heavier. Wait for the bubbles to appear before you flip your pancake so that it's really well done on the inside. I did not use any oil because I'm using a non-stick pan, but if you're not, you can use butter or any oil of your choice. This yielded about 3 pancakes because you can see the size of my pancakes. It's not that big, but it's not that small. going to make a quick topping, which I'm using half an apple and 10 grams of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, that's fine. You can also use honey. I'm going to caramelize that apple until it's nice and toasty, and it's going to give my pancakes a little bit more sweetness and flavor. Totally skippable part if you're not a sweet tooth, but I would recommend you just try it at least once. So I did let my apple caramelize a little bit longer, that's why it's a little bit sticky, but it was sweet nonetheless. And if you want it to be lighter, you can add a little bit more water and it will be in a syrupy consistency. And yeah, the pancakes were very delicious, very moist, and I'd recommend it. It's very healthy.